everybody, it's Cipher here today, and as you read from the title, I'm going to teach you how to make a quality paper speaker. But before we get into that, I'm having a free giveaway. You can have my house keys. It's got an anime girl on it. It's got some keys and a cat, and it's got a leotard, but just like, comment, and subscribe, and follow McDaddy Cafe. McDaddy_cafe. Remember to do that. But anyways, let's get into this tutorial. First, what you're gonna need is your crappy iPhone 5 or something. I don't really know. And then you're gonna need some terrible anime girl you drew in class one day, and a glue stick or tape. I don't have tape. I'm poor. But anyways, let's get started. Well, first of all, you gotta take your paper and you gotta fold it so then the anime girl is invisible and you'll never see her again. Yeah, hopefully you won't have to have any memory of her. But before you do that, you need some glue here. Yeah, this is looking good. Oh yeah. Okay, we got some good glue. And we fold it over like so. Try to make it kind of a clean shape, I guess. And shove your phone in there. Oof, we did it. Oh god. Oof, we did it. Pretty spicy, I must say. I hope you put it on your speaker. I don't know how your phone works. It can be any way you want. So now we must test it. Attention! Hopefully you have the song you want to play chosen. So, first of all, let's sit down. First, okay, get a good look at it. It's been pretty spicy. And then let's go taste it. Okay, this is my second attempt. This time we're going to get a little bit closer, see what they think about it. Hopefully they like it. Let's go. But guys, I want to test out this brand new speaker I got. this brand new speaker I got.
Oh dear. Oh yeah. What brand is that?
It's
Can you get it at Best Buy?
if you try hard enough, you might find it laying around. Yeah, I can see what the dog sees. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed that tutorial. See you later, my fellow. I don't know. Okay, just bye. Wake me up inside. Can't wake me up inside me. Save me from the horror. Wake me up inside. Can't wake me up inside. Save me from the horror. Yeah.